Hi guys, a very welcome to all of you to my another new video. Today I'm gonna unbox my new camera, which is Sony ZV-1. That camera has been designed for those who love to vlog and all this kind of stuff. Let's go and let's get started. Here you are. Wait for the surprise what you have here. Right. Like any other new device you normally open, you always have this user instructions, user manuals and stuff like that. Pretty straightforward. We got here. Cool. So I've got in my hand the sound recorder. That's the camera itself. Let's check it out. Wow, amazing. Such a handy device. So it's very convenient for those of you who really love vlogging. You can take it out anywhere for your travel, your journey, pretty much everywhere. You can do literally everything in this camera. It's amazingly handy size. What else do you have here in the pack? You have a battery, a lithium-ion battery. Also you have a cable for recharging and the data cable at the same time. So this is how the flip works. The screen, you can just flip it over. So I've got my camera fully ready in my hand. Let's just take a closer look on the features here. So you have a Carl Zeiss lens, as I can see. Very Sony. This is one of the best lenses you can ever have. These are the very straightforward buttons. You have the power button on and off, and this is how it pretty much looks like. As you can see the different dimensions. If you flip it over, you can rotate the screen on the other side, and the way you want it. You can fix it along with the camera, or you can put it on the side, open position, whichever way you think is more convenient for you to work with. The ZV-1 is basically designed for content creation with a selfie-friendly, very-angle LCD screen, a body grip, and a recording lamp. The directional 3 capsules microphone with the windscreen picks up your voice clearly with the less wind noise. So as you can see, this is the noise basically to have a better quality of sound when you record outside. It gives you the clear voice recording. So this is how you fix it. You basically take the slot out and put the lovely small device in just like this. Very straightforward. I was actually struggling in the beginning, but actually it's very straightforward if you look at it. So this is the battery position is normal, so you can unlock, and Yeah, place the battery. So there you are. Let's just open it. As I mentioned earlier, it gives you the better quality of pictures and the sound at the same time. Okay, now let me show you some amazing pictures and the videos that was taken on this Sony ZV-1. So I so hope that you like my video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please write on the comment box, and do subscribe my channel, like and share.